Namaste, I am Mini and welcome to my channel Foodotomic. Today we are preparing a popular Indian curry recipe served in restaurants called Veg Kolhapuri. So let's get started. We will start by shallow frying the vegetables. Heat a pan and add oil, then add onion bulbs, bell peppers. You can slice them in any shape but make sure they are a little chunky. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes over medium heat. Then transfer the vegetables to another bowl and in the same pan add chopped carrots, green peas and green beans. Cook for another 3 to 4 minutes over high heat. Then add tofu cubes followed by salt. Be gentle with the tofu and like I always say, you can use your favorite vegetables and even omit a few if you don't have them at hand or just don't like them, making them a slight golden brown. Finally, cooking the mushrooms. I love mushrooms in this particular curry. Once all the vegetables are slightly roasted and the mushrooms are cooked, it's time to dry roast the whole spices. You will find the ingredients list and measurements in the description section of the video. Add fresh red and green chilies and cook everything over low heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure to stir as we don't want the spices to burn. You can use any type of chili for this recipe. Usually this curry is spicy, but you can reduce or increase it as per your palate. After 2 to 3 minutes, you will start to get the beautiful aroma of the spices. Then add desiccated coconut and cook for another 2 minutes. If you don't like coconut in the curry, you can totally omit it. If you are new to vegan or plant-based diet, don't forget to download my free recipe guide. You can find the link in the description section. Add the spice mix to a blender followed by chopped tomatoes. Soaked cashews, I have soaked them for 2 hours, and water. Blend it into a smooth paste. As you can see, the paste has a little texture, but you can always make it much more finer than this, velvet-like. Now it's time to assemble the curry. Heat a pan and add oil. Once it's hot, add cumin seeds. Dry red chilies. Let it cook over medium heat for 2 minutes. I know we have added a lot of chilies before this, but I like the crunch of dry red chilies in the main curry. Add finely chopped onion and cook till it's slightly translucent. Keep the heat to medium. If you're new to this channel, I'm here to help you in your vegan or plant-based journey with easy recipes. So don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for future notifications. Add grated ginger garlic. Turn the heat to low as the garlic tends to burn quickly. You can use ginger garlic paste too, but always try to use fresh ginger and garlic for the Indian curries as it is a total game changer. Time to add the remaining spices, turmeric powder and red chili powder. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes over low heat. You can also add some cumin powder here, approximately half tablespoon if you like. Cook till you see the oil oozing out of them. Add the whole spice, tomato and cashew paste followed by salt. Mix well and cook over medium heat for another 5 to 7 minutes. Is it just me or the curry is making a heart shape in the bowl? You will see the oil is oozing out of the curry and it's time to add the sauteed vegetables. Be gentle while mixing the tofu. Look at the color and the texture of this curry. So rich. I know the process of this recipe is a little lengthy one, but it's definitely worth all the effort. And if not for your everyday meal, this can surely be prepared for special occasions. The gravy is looking a little thick, so I'm adding some water. You can adjust the thickness of the curry as per your liking. Let it simmer for 5 minutes as we want the vegetables to absorb all the goodness of the curry. Finally, add garam masala powder, kasuri methi. Crush the dry leaves properly so there are no big chunks. Kasuri methi adds such earthy flavor to this dish. You can easily find it in Indian stores. Fresh coriander leaves and lime juice. Mix it again and the Veg Kolhapuri is ready. You can serve it hot with some rice or any Indian breads like roti, naan or parathas. You can even let it rest for 30 to 45 minutes and then reheat it and serve. Trust me, this curry gets better and better when you let it rest a little. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Foodotomic. I'll be back soon with another interesting vegan recipe. Until then, bye. And don't forget to watch these 2 delicious Indian vegan curry recipes.